Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac's OS and whether it supports 32-bit apps. Sims 2 needs compatibility work. Next, acquire the game media, original discs or a clean disk image, and mount it using a virtual drive tool. Once done, copy the disk image to a safe folder and make a note of serial numbers on the case. You'll need them later. Make sure you have at least 510 GB free for installation and mods to avoid space errors. Now set up the compatibility layer. Choose Wine or Crossover for lower overhead, or a Windows VM if you prefer native Windows behavior. Once running, launch the Sims 2 installer from the mounted image and enter your serial when requested. Follow default install paths unless you need custom locations. After the base install, add DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes inside the environment so shaders and expansion packs run. If using a VM, allocate sufficient RAM and enable 3D acceleration. Finish by installing official patches and any expansion packs inside the same compatibility layer or VM. This prevents version conflicts. Then add community compatibility fixes or no CD loaders only if required, and set file permissions so the game can write saves and cache. If you hit crashes or black screens, try toggling 3D acceleration, increasing video memory, or switching render options. Check the simulator or Wine logs for errors. If saves fail, verify folder ownership and free space, then relaunch the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.